Hello students, in this part we will discuss on the another organism, morphology of another organism, that is cockroach. Cockroach. It has two main basically common. One is from American species and one from Indian species. The American species is Periplaneta americana. This is the common American species which is commonly found all over the places, and this is the American species. And next one is Indian species, that is Blatta orientalis. This is the Indian species of cockroach. As we know that cockroaches are found all over the places, means they are found in warmer places, colder places, as well as humid places. ऑल और प्लेसेस में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. इसके पीछे रीजन है, दो मेन रीजन है. फर्स्ट वन इज इट इज omnivores. These are the omnivores, means they can eat everything. And second one is they are omnivores and the body, or you can say the exoskeleton, is made up of chitin or chitinous substance. Thus they are found all over the places. They are nocturnal, means they are very active at night. Night time में ज़्यादा active होते हैं. The body of cockroach is segmented. There are three different regions of a cockroach. Regions in body of cockroach. There are three different regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. These are three different regions which are found in a cockroach. One more is small portion which attaches head to thorax is neck. But this neck is not seen, not visible from the upper side, because the thorax portion covered this neck. Firstly, we discuss on head. Head, it is a triangular structure in cockroach. कॉकरोच में जो हेड होता है दैट इज ए ट्रायंगुलर सरफेस या ट्रायंगुलर स्ट्रक्चर. It is just perpendicular to the body. Head is perpendicular to the body. Mouth of cockroach is known as hypognathus. This is because it is present laterally towards the heart and towards the head. Suppose this is the body of any cockroach. Head is perpendicular to the, this is the head. This one is the head and this one is body. Head is perpendicular to the body and mouth is lateral present here. So it is called hypognathus. Firstly, we have discussed head. Head is a triangular surface triangular structure which has 6 segments. A head consists 6 segments. हेड जो है किस वे से अरेंज होता है? फर्स्टली वी हैव डिस्कस्ड head is triangular in structure. Suppose this is the head structure in a cockroach. In head there are one pair of compound eyes present in cockroach. One pair of compound eyes, एक पेयर इसमें कंपाउंड आईज जो है वो प्रेजेंट होती हैं. एंड ईच, व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड आईज? दिस इज बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी simple eyes like structure present in compound eyes. This is the one pair of compound eyes. This is because there are many simple eye like structure present in the eyes. And these each simple eye is known as ommatidium. This one like structure present in cockroach compound eyes. And you also can say that simple eye or each segment is known as ommatidium. This is ommatidium. Ommatidium, sorry. Ommatidium. All the ommatidium combined and form a single image. These are the compound eyes present. One pair of compound eyes present in cockroach. There are two septum present just near to the cockroach eyes, from where the antenna, one pair of antenna sensory organs are arises through this septum. A septum consists 3 parts. Lower basal portion is wider. The basal portion is wider. And just above the basal portion, the narrower part, and from here an antenna is arises. The lower is basal, wider part, then the thinner, and then the antenna are arises. These are the antenna. In cockroach, these parts, there are 3 parts. One is filament, that is called antenna. Second one is the thinner part, which is known as pedicel. And the lower, from where the septum, these antennae arises, that is called sepici, or you can say that sepi. These are one pair of antenna arises from the just near to the compound eyes. These antenna behaves like as a sensory organ. This is the act as sensory organ. We have already said that a head has 6 segments. एक हेड में 6 segments होते हैं. 6 segment किस प्रकार से कंसिस्ट होते हैं? This is the compound eyes. We can say that 6 segment, two more simple eyes like structure present in the cockroach near to the compound eyes. and these two segments which are divisible just like as inverted Y shape, मीन्स कुछ इस प्रकार से स्ट्रक्चर कंसिस्ट होता है। ये दो पोर्शन, ये इन दो जोन को, दो सेगमेंट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? एपिक्रेनियम। दिस इज द एपिक्रेनियम। These are the two segments. One is the wider, which is known as frons, and just below the frons, one more segments that is called clypeus, and two more zones just aside to the head structures, and these are called zena. So these are the 6 segments: 2 epicranium, 2 and 1 is frons, 3 1 clypeus, 4 and 2 zena. These are the 6 segmented which are found in the head. Firstly, we will discuss on head. The next portion we will discuss on thorax in the next part.